going on, guys? It's Cam from Boosted Daily here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply a decal to your vehicle. Alright, so for this you're going to want masking tape, a sticker, ideally some scissors would help out for sure, and you're going to want a card, a credit card, or a decal applying card as well. But first thing you're going to want to do is tape it. I'm going to do the dry application method, although today it's super cold, it's wet, worst conditions to be doing this, but I'm going to send it for you guys. You're going to want to apply it. I'm doing typical Volkswagen kid sideways. And what you're going to want to do, peel the backing off. After you clean the window and dry it, of course. Just apply it. Rub your finger right down the middle for start. We're going to take out a card. Run it down the middle. Rub your finger down the middle once more, actually. Best way to do it. And then from the inside out. Pull off the masking tape. You're going to want to use masking tape or painter's tape because you don't want any residue left over from, say, scotch tape or any of that junk. Just rub it once more, make sure it sticks. And you're going to want to peel at an angle. Oh, way too hard. Alright, no, I got this. This is good. Alright, I messed up. I pulled too fast. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, we're gonna fit. We got this. You'll never do that. I get too excited. There we go. There we go. She's a mint. She's a mint. Alright. Just a quick video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We got a great lineup of cars coming up. Gotta wait for it to be a lot warmer before they break them out of the garage, but it's something you definitely don't want to miss. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned because we have a great lineup of cars to review coming up. Gonna be a little bit due to the weather, but it will be coming very soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, like. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again for all the support. Bye. Bingo.